Good morning children, this is Nandini and today we are going to learn maths. So hope you all have watched the last video. So what we have discussed in the last video? Yes, the place value, face value concepts and expanded form. So let us recall those portions first. Place value and face value. So we have a number 4832. 4832. So children, tell me what is the place value of 2 here? Yes, 2 is in 1's place. So the place value of 2 is 2 into 1 equal to 2. Yes, the place value of 2 is 2 here. And now tell me what is the place value of 3? 3 is in which place? 10's place. So what will be the place value? 3 into 10. That means 30. 3 is in 10's place. So what will be the place value of 3? It is 30. Yes. And now tell me what is the place value of 8 here? 8 is in which place? 100's place, right? So what will be the place value? 8 into 100 is what? 800. The place value of 8 here is 800. Okay, so let's move on. What is the place value of 4 here? 4 is in which place? Yes, 1000's place. So 4 into 1000 is equal to 4000. So the place value of 4 here is 4000. Okay. So hope you all remember the face value also. What is the face value of 2 here? I have already told you. Face value is nothing but what you see. Yes. What you see here in the place of 2? It is 2. The face value of 2 is 2 itself. What about 3? What you see there? It is 3. The face value of 3 is 3 itself. What about 8? The face value of 8 is? Yes, 8 itself. And next 4. The face value of 4 is 4. Okay. So now, what was the next topic that we have learned? Expanded form. So, I have already told you the way we write the numbers is the standard form. That means 4832. Okay, this is the standard form. That is the way we write the numbers usually is the standard form. What about expanded form? Just recall those portions. Yes, we will expand each numbers. That is expanded form. So, I have given the expanded form of this number. So, have a look. 4000 plus 800 plus 30 plus 2. 4832. So, this is the expanded form of this particular number. Okay. So, hope you all are strong with the concepts of place value, face value and expanded form. So, today we are going to learn something new. Okay. So, tell me children, you already know the days of a week, right? What is that? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday up to Saturday, right? So just tell me, which day comes after Friday? Which day comes after Friday? It is Saturday. It is Saturday. And which day comes before Friday? Tell me children, which day comes before Friday? It is Thursday. Yes. me, what do you mean by after? After എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താ? ശേഷം വരുന്നത്. അതായത് ഫ്രൈഡേക്ക് ശേഷം വരുന്നതാണ് സാറ്റർഡേ. And what do you mean by before here? തൊട്ട് മുൻപുള്ളത്. ഫ്രൈഡേക്ക് മുൻപ് വരുന്നതാണ് Thursday. Okay, so today we are going to learn the same kind of concept here. So as we have reached 3rd standard, we are using 2 new words instead of after and before. That is successor and predecessor. Okay, successor means ശേഷം വരുന്നത്. That means what? After. Successor means ശേഷം വരുന്നത്. That means after. ഇനി predecessor എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാലോ തൊട്ട് മുൻപുള്ളത്. That means before. Predecessor means what? തൊട്ട് മുൻപുള്ളത്. That is before. Clear, children? So in the term of numbers, let's see some examples. So this is the number. So the question is, what is the predecessor and successor of 3272? ഇതാണ് question. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ എന്താ എഴുതേണ്ടത്? 3272ന് ശേഷം വരുന്ന നമ്പറും തൊട്ട് മുൻപുള്ള നമ്പർ. ഓക്കെ, സോ ആദ്യം നമുക്ക് സക്സസർ എഴുതാം. സക്സസർ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താ? ശേഷം വരുന്നത്. സോ 3272 അല്ലേ? സോ ടു ഫൈൻഡ് ദ സക്സസർ വി ഡു വാട്ട്? വി വിൽ ആഡ് 1. ഇതിന് ശേഷം വരുന്ന നമ്പർ കിട്ടാൻ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും? വി വിൽ ആഡ് 1 അല്ലേ? സോ ദ ആൻസർ ഈസ് 3273 അല്ലേ? ശേഷം വരുന്നത് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ ആ നമ്പറിലേക്ക് 1 നമ്മൾ ആഡ് ചെയ്യും. സോ 3272 plus 1 gives 3273. അതായത് the successor. ഓക്കെ, ഇനി predecessor. predecessor എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താ? മാം പറഞ്ഞിരുന്നു തൊട്ട് മുൻപുള്ളത്. So to find the predecessor of this number, we will do minus 1. We will subtract 1 from this number. 3272 minus 1 gives 3271. Okay, so ഒരു നമ്പർ തന്നിട്ട് if the question is write the predecessor and successor എന്ന് ചോദിച്ചാൽ അതിന് ശേഷം വരുന്നതും മുൻപ് വരുന്നതും എഴുതണം. Okay, to find the successor we will add 1 to the given number. To find the predecessor we will minus 1 from the given number. Okay, so let's see one more example. Okay, so 2020. The number is 2020. And the question is what? Find the successor and predecessor. Okay, find the successor and predecessor of this number. So we knew that successor എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താ? ശേഷം വരുന്നത്. So successor. We will add 1 to this number. That is 2021. ഇനി അടുത്തത് എന്താ? predecessor. predecessor എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ തൊട്ട് മുൻപുള്ള നമ്പർ. So we will minus 1 from this number. So what will be the answer, children? 2019. Right? So 2020, the successor of 2020 is 2021 and the predecessor is 2019. Okay? So in your textbook, they have given a lot of examples. So I have shown 2 examples for you. അപ്പോൾ ടെക്സ്റ്റിൽ തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന വേറൊരു എക്സാമ്പിൾ ആണ് Just have a look in exercise 1.3, first question. That is, so read this number, children. 4,893. 4,893. So first namukku endu edha successor edha. How will you write the successor? We will add 1 to this number. That is 4,894. The answer is 4,894. Ini predecessor minus 1. Alle? So 4,893 minus 1 gives what? 4,892. Okay? So we will be doing these exercises in our interactive sessions. So until then, learn this concept well. Okay? And the next topic that we are going to learn today is a familiar concept. Okay, that is what? Comparison. Comparison of numbers. So you already studied these topics in your lower classes, right? So comparison. We usually use 3 different symbols for that. So you remember what is that? Greater than, less than and equal to. Greater than, less than and equal to. So these symbols are familiar to you. So let's start from the small numbers, okay? So just tell me 22 and 31. Okay? So these are the 2-digit numbers. So the question is, which is the greater number? Whether it is 22 or 31. Okay, so we already knew which is the greater number? 31. So, which symbol we used to put here? 31 is the greater number. So, open mouth symbol to the 31. That is this one. Okay, so 31 is the greater number here. Okay, so just look at the other example. Okay, 202 and 18. Okay, so this is a 3-digit number. This is a 2-digit number. So obviously, which will be the greatest number? 202, because it have more digits, right? So we used to put the open mouth symbol towards 202. Okay? Now, have a look at this question. Okay? So this is a 3-digit number again. And this is 4-digit number. So how will we compare this? We will be comparing the number of digits. Here we have only 3 digits. But here we have 4 digits. So which is greater? Yes, the 4-digit number. So we will put the open mouth symbol towards the 4-digit number. That is 1802. So clear? Now, let us compare 2 4-digit numbers. Okay? Okay, so we have 2 4-digit numbers here. So read, children, what is this number? Just spell it. 5,492. Here, 4,396. So here we are having equal number of digits. That is, we are having 4 digits here and we are also having 4 digits here. So what will we do is, we start comparing from the very first number. So which is the very first number here? 5. Which is the very first number here? 4. So let us compare 5 and 4. Let us compare 5 and 4. So this is easy, right? So which is the greater number? 5. 5 is the greater number. And hence 5492 will be the greatest. Okay, so if we are having equal number of digits here and here, we will be comparing the very first number. Clear, children? And then look at another example. So I have told you, if you are having equal number of digits here and here, we will be comparing the very first number. But here it is 5 and here also it is 5. Okay, so 5 is equal to 5. So from this we can't say surely that is this which is lesser, which is greater, or whether they are equal or not. Okay, so here 5 equal to 5. So now let's move on to the next digit also. 4. Here it is 3. So we have 4 and 3. Now tell me which is greater here? Yes, 4 is greater. Okay, so the number in which the 4 is there, that will be the greatest. So 5492 will be the greatest number. Okay, so again we'll compare this number. Okay, so we will be comparing 5 to 5. 5 is again equal to 5. So we will be moving on to the next number. What is that? 4, and here also it is 4. So 4 is equal to 4. So we can't conclude, right? So we will be moving on to the next number also. 9, and here it is also 9. So we know that 9 is equal to 9. Okay, still now we couldn't find which is the greatest. So what will we do? We will move on to the next number, that is the last digit. 2 and 6. And yes, so which is the greatest number here? It is 6. So we got the answer, that is 5496 is the greatest number over here. Okay, so we have to change this symbol, right? Okay, so hope you all have understood the concepts. So let me tell you once again. So to compare the equal number of digits, we will do comparisons one by one. We will do comparisons one by one. Okay, and then we suppose if we are having, if 5 is equal to 5, suppose we are having both the digits equal, we will be moving to the next digit. Okay, we will be moving to the next place. Okay, in your textbooks we are having some numbers. Okay, in your textbooks you can see the diagrams as I have drawn here. Okay, it is very easy to look at the diagrams and understand. Okay, so first you have to compare the numbers one by one. So what about the equal numbers? What about the equal numbers? We will be comparing the same thing. That is, here we have 4-digit numbers, here also we have a 4-digit number. We will be comparing the number one by one. That is, 5 is equal to 5, 4 is again equal to 4, 9 is equal to 9, and 2 is equal to 2. So we all have here, we are having the same symbol all over. That means this number is what? Equal to this number. Okay, so this is all about the comparison of numbers. So today we have learned two different things, that is successor and predecessor and comparison of numbers. Okay children, so while you are watching this video, please have your textbooks with you, okay, and then so that you can understand the concepts clearly. We will be doing the exercises in the interactive session. So see you on interactive session. Thank you.